couldn't see the words that I was writing. How could I see them through these tear-filled eyes? This letter that I'm writing is a sad one, with deep regrets I have to say goodbye. My vision of you with this letter haunts me. In every teardrop there's your pretty face. I'll take each memory of you with me, darling. As teardrops dry, they leave a bitter taste. The goodbye that I write comes with a reason. In time I hope that we will meet again. Don't think badly of me, please, I beg you. My heart just breaks, oh how I feel the pain. I've been called to fight a war that's raging, and I must leave tomorrow at first light. Now you know the reason for this letter, and why I cry with every word I write. I couldn't see the words that I was writing. How could I see them through these tear-filled eyes?